Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Usman Sajid here and welcome back with a new video. In this video, I will tell you about the light system in the car. For example, when we have to take turn left or right, we have to show the indicator on the car, either we are turning left or right. So for that circuits, I will draw this on the Proteus. So let's start it. First of all, we need an IC of 74151. I will pick this in the library of the Proteus. Sorry, it's not working. 74151. I will choose this first one, and for input I will select the logic toggles, and for output I will select the logic probe, and then last one I will select an LED blue. So now let's implement our circuits. First I will place this IC, and now I will place the inputs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now I will place the name of all these. For example, I will take high, take this name high. Sorry, the keyboard is not working. Okay, high, and size is very small. I will pick this high size of 0.2 inch approximate. Now I will copy. Okay, I will copy this to the clipboard and paste from clipboard, 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 and paste from clipboard. Now I will change the name of all these. First I will take low, then next I will take high, and then next is I will implement as LT, which is our left turn, and then next is our brake system, which I will denote as PR, and then next is our emergency, which I will denote with EM, and then next I will pick the input applied frequency signal, which I will denote with BL, and now I will just rearrange it, and no. The connection is that the X0 and pin 4 is named as connected with low voltage. Then next X1 will connect with BL. This is our BL, and then next X2 will connect with high voltage, and X3 will connect with again high voltage of 1, and X4 will connect it again with BL. This is our BL, and X5 again connected with the BL, X6 again connected with the BL, and X7 again connected with the BL. Now this ABC, the emergency connect with A, brake input will connect with B, and then left turn will connect with the sorry with C. This remaining E will connect with the low terminal. No, though I will delete this, and I will apply the input frequency of 3 Hz to this point. Uh, Sorry, you have to take the sine wave. Now I will connect this with this, and the next thing is that I will okay. I will done with one thing. I will delete again. Now connect this. Uh, sorry, delete. Connect this with B line. Now I will take this clockwise and apply the frequency of 3 Hz. 3 Hz. Now I will click the OK. And in the output, I will connect the logic probe. This is a logic probe. I will connect this with this, and also the LED. The second will connect with the ground. And now I will give the inputs of all. So take this low, and other are all are high. And I will run this simulation and check the result. This is showing the blinking of bulb and the output 0101. Whenever you have see when you turn on the indicator, the indicator will show this light. It is suddenly off, and on. When I turn off this more significant left turn, it will just show this light. And when I on this left turn and then off this, all these uh, it's still shows this blinking. But when I off this uh, left and more significant and on all these, it will constantly show only the light. And when I off the enable and on the left turn, uh, then it will also the blink. So the purpose is that we have to just turn this left turn on for blinking. Otherwise, if I will off this, it will only show this continuous. Sorry, this now enable is off. High voltage is 0. When I on this, it will only show this continuous light. And when I off this enable, then no bulb is on, only other. When I turn on this more significant, then it again shows blinking. No read off on this. uh, but if LT is off and I wiggle high, then this will show this constantly bulb light. So hope so you like this uh, phenomena of indicator. If you like this, thank you very much.